one. So there was this question that was asked on Wakefull's Facebook page, and that was कि Arish और Uneza का क्या relation? And the right answer is C. They're not related at all. And all those people जिन्होंने सही जवाब दिया है उनके नाम इस बड़ी सी बॉल में, and I'll pull out 2 names. So these 2. By the way, the lucky winner is going to get these Wakefull merchandise. Afzal Shah. This goes to you. My first one. Alright. And since all our lovely fans out there made it the top rated drama already in the first episode, so this guy goes out like the second one. Javeria Ahmed, C. Yes, that is. Good luck.